Angela, what can I register as a trademark? I get this question a lot, so I'm going to spend the next 4 minutes talking about this. I go live here on weekdays to talk trademarks and copyrights. I'm Angela Langlotz, trademark and copyright attorney. And a lot of people ask me, well, Angela, I can't register that as a trademark, can I? And my response is always anything that is distinctive as to your goods and services can be registered as a trademark. United States trademark law says that you can use any distinctive device, is the word the law uses, that distinguishes your goods and services from other people's goods and services. This includes things like words. So people sometimes say, well, you can't trademark that. It's a common word. That is a myth. You can register as a trademark any word that is distinctive as to your goods. How the heck do you think Apple got Apple registered for computers? They got it registered even though it's a very common word because Apple as to computers is distinctive. So as long as your word is distinctive and not descriptive, it can be registered as a trademark. Things like phrases. People also have this myth that if it's a common word or a common phrase, it can't be registered as a trademark. Well, if that's true, then how the heck did Nike get Just Do It registered? Moms have been saying that to their kids for, millennia. Just do it. But they got it registered as a trademark for their sportswear and their shoes. It is distinctive as to sportswear and shoes. What else can we register? Logos and designs can be registered, again, so long as they're distinctive. A good example of this is the Nike swoosh. It has become distinctive for their sportswear and shoes and sports equipment and everything else that they apply it to. That is an example of using a logo, a distinctive design, as a trademark. What else? Even things like colors or packaging can be registered. For example, Big Green Egg has a monopoly, a trademark on the color green for barbecues. They have registered the color green for their popular barbecues, and nobody else can make a green barbecue. Tiffany is another brand that has distinguished their packaging and products with a color. They have a specific Pantone color, Pantone 1837, that they use as a distinctive trademark for their products and their packaging. No one else can make a shopping bag that is Tiffany blue. That is a violation of Tiffany's trademark for packaging and boxes and bags and things like that. So the answer is just about anything can be registered as a trademark so long as it's distinctive. Contact me. We can talk about distinctive trademarks that you might already be using that are unregistered. If you would like to protect your exclusive right to use those in commerce, then you need to get a trademark registration. I'm Angela Langlotz. Drop any questions in the comments below. I'll answer them on a future live video. You can find me online at trademarkdoctor.net. I'm on YouTube at video.trademarkdoctor.net/YouTube. I'm also on TikTok. Just go search Trademark Doctor. You'll find me there. And I'm also on Facebook at facebook.com/Trademark Doctor.